Fix the frame for your bifold together using the screw holes and cleats provided. Then lift the frame into the opening and screw into place. Use packers to ensure the frame is completely level and plumb before tightening screws. Introduce the first door to the frame and fix all 4 hinges with the screws provided. You'll need an extra pair of hands to hold the door in place. Attach the remaining doors in the correct order, making sure that the wheels sit securely in the frame at the top and bottom. Close the doors as you go using the internal D handles. If there's a master door, hang this last and close to ensure it is the right size. To glaze your bifold, you will need packers, a soft hammer, snips, and your glazing paddle. Start by removing the beading from each side of the first door. Place a horizontal and vertical packer in the bottom corner of the side nearest the frame. Insert the glass into the frame and continue to toe and heel by adding 2 more packers to the opposite top corner. Use more packers if necessary to ensure that the glass is snug within the frame and replace the beading to each edge. Repeat this with each door, making sure to toe and heel in the appropriate corners of the frame. Complete your bifold by applying gasket along each edge of every frame. Create a gap between the beading and glass using your glazing paddle. Insert the gasket near to the corner and push along using your glazing paddle. Cut the gasket long and insert the end into the other corner. Repeat this with all edges to complete your bifold installation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for updates and more content.